Millennials may be the first generation to out-earn their parents, yet many still feel broke. Why? Let's break down the top 3 challenges millennial investors face and how to flip the script. First, crushing student debt. The average millennial starts $30,000 behind. That often delays investing and robs them of compounding growth. The fix? Automate even $50 to $100 a month. Small, consistent steps build real momentum. Second, lifestyle inflation. From weddings to travel, millennials love experiences. But too often, those experiences come at the expense of their future. A simple 50-30-20 budget, needs, wants, and saving, keeps balance without guilt. Third, market distrust and information overload. Many watched parents lose big in 2008. Others chase risky trends like meme stocks or crypto hype. The solution? A personalized, diversified plan reviewed annually with a fiduciary, so knowledge replaces fear. Here's the truth. Millennials don't have a money problem. They have a money plan problem. With the right strategy, this generation could be the wealthiest yet. Work with wealth advisors who care and build your plan together. Call us at 727-2303-800 or visit wealthadvisorswhocare.com.